Oh, what a night. I was supposed to have this meeting at Nokian Tyres, but just not feeling great. Better get going.
Hi Jamie.
Hi, you must be Aino.
Yes, welcome to Nokian Tyres.
Thanks so much for having me. I'm super excited to learn how bioenergy is used to make tires. I have to tell you though, I had a really rough night. I kept on having this nightmare. It was saying, white hell, white hell.
White hell? That's not a nightmare. That's our testing center up in Lapland, in Ivalo. That's where we test all our tires that are meant for the toughest winter conditions. It's the largest winter tire testing center in the world. As you can see, we have lots of snow and ice here, and it's very, very cold. So when winter tires are tested there, we know that they are safe to use in all winter conditions all around the world.
So including Canada?
For sure.
Well, you've clearly got the performance handled, but what about the environmental performance, specifically on the manufacturing?
Well, we want to make our tires in the most sustainable way possible. Would you like to meet Teppo Huovela, who is in charge of our sustainability?
Definitely, that'd be great.
Let's go meet Teppo.
So I understand that this is the original tire factory for Nokian Tyres.
Yes, indeed. The whole tire production started here in Nokia, city of Nokia, and this factory has been standing here for about 115 years. Tire production is divided into three main parts. First, rubber compounds are made. In a normal passenger car tire, we might have up to 15 different rubber compounds in different areas of the tires. These components are put together in so-called assembly process, and this so-called green tire that's coming out of this assembly is then cured into curing presses. And the whole curing process is based on heat. So it's about 170 degrees.
So in tire production, you need not only electricity, but you need heat.
That's correct. Heat is very important.
Maybe you can tell me about the history of heat production at this facility.
We can say that in our factory and also in other tire factories, historically the steam has been generated by burning fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas, and that was also the case here earlier. We used natural gas as the main fuel, but then many years ago we switched over to biomass, and now the steam is generated by this renewable biomass.
And that's significantly reduced your greenhouse gas emissions at the facility.
Yes, indeed. We could almost put this steam-related emission to zero.
Okay, incredible.
There's a bioenergy facility almost next door, about maybe one kilometer from here. And we are part owner of that plant. And that's like serving this process steam generation, but also to some extent district heating in this area.
Maybe you can explain some of the sustainability goals of Nokian Tyres.
Well, we started, of course, with our own company. So the factory emissions, we have been able to reduce them a lot. We are, in fact, the leading level in our industry for several years. And in longer term, we are heading for the net zero in the production. And as a very big milestone, we are now opening a new factory in Romania, which will be the first full-scale tire factory in the world to have this zero CO2 emission level.
Well, thank you so much for taking the time to explain Nokian Tyres' sustainability and how you've been able to use bioenergy to decarbonize this facility.
It's my pleasure. Enjoy the rest of your day here in Nokia.
Thank you. Wow, it was really great to learn how Nokian Tyres was able to decarbonize by switching from natural gas to biomass. I better go check this plant out. This is the Nokia biomass heating plant. It's a 68 megawatt facility that provides process heat for tire production by Nokian Tyres, but also to Essity, a personal products manufacturer, and to the Nokia district heating system, which heats buildings throughout the town. What a great example of being able to decarbonize industry at the same time as buildings. This is Dr. Jam from Nokia, Finland, signing off.